Hello, my mathematicians. This is a different kind of video. It's to help you see a new thing that I am just trying this week, and that is doing an activity on Seesaw. And the activity I've uploaded for you is actually the fraction test that we're going to be taking. I would like to show you how I think you can get there. So I want you to watch this video and then try it. And if you discover that I am wrong, or you run into any glitches, please send me a note on Seesaw as soon as possible, and I will remake this video and figure it out. So if you're the first few people seeing this, thank you so much for your help. So for us to take an activity on Seesaw, and you may already know this, it's new for me, you have to find your class first. So I'm going to Mrs. Sheridan's class, and this is what mine looks like. I'll be honest, I don't know what yours looks like, but I'm going to be playing the part of the test student today. Now, if I just click on Test Student, this is all stuff that was available on Friday afternoon. But it's all in the journal. We're going to go here to the Activity Center, where you should be finding the fraction test. Now, it says 3rd grade, chapter 14. Let me move myself out of the way there. We have been doing 3rd grade work, which is why if you have been struggling with it at all, it's because it's super hard for you, and that was on purpose. You know how I love to challenge you. Don't you worry. If you don't understand this stuff, we'll go over it again next year. I promise. So if you click on this, you can play the instructions where I read you all these words. So you do not have to listen if you don't want to, and you don't have to read if you don't want to. But do pay attention to directions here. And then you're going to click on Add a Response. And click on your name. And here we go. I wanted to make sure you knew about the zooming feature over here. With my old elderly eyes, that is too small for me. So I am using this feature to make it bigger. Then I'm going to ask you to fill this in with pencil. That will just help me to keep track of things as we're grading. You could also use this typing feature. So I'm going to put my name. For the purposes of this activity, my name is Test, and I'll put it where it goes. Then I'm going to come to question 1. Here's where you might want to use a pencil. It says find the missing numerator. If you want to write stuff on here, you sure can. I could write down that 2/3 times 2/2 equals something in the 6th place. If I think the answer to this is B, I would color this in all the way the best that I can. And it's kind of scribbly, and that's okay. If I realize I don't think it should be B, then I'm going to take my eraser and, whoops, come here, eraser, and erase it out. I just want to make sure you know you can also change how thick your pencil is. So if you wanted this to be your answer, it's a little easier to scribble in. You can go through all 4 pages, please. And please make sure that you answer everything. Also, this right here is the bold writing where they're trying to tell you what the directions are. I have a sneaky suspicion after doing this that maybe you guys already know this for yourself. So I guess I'm going to ask you, if you're going to use these markers, would you stay in gray? It'll just help your teacher. And let's see how we do. When you are done, you click the check mark and it loads it up, and then I will see if we all did it. So, thank you for trying this out. I bet you know more than I do. If there are any glitches, please send me a note on Seesaw and I will work to do better with my learning. This test is not due till Tuesday, May 5th. I promise you have all the time you need, and you know what? You can even have more times after that. Until the end of May, nothing is late. All right, guys, thanks for helping me out, and bye-bye for now.